Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to buy Solana on Bybit. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Bybit application, which of course I have done right here. Next one is, what exactly is Bybit about? Now, Bybit is a popular crypto trading application that offers users a wide range of features to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. The application itself, it's easy to use with a fantastic user interface. Now, it has a clean and modern design that makes it visually appealing. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to buy Solana on Bybit. So from this homepage, you're going to have to head over to the top corner of your screen where you have the Verify Now button. Now, under the Verify Now button, you're going to find a couple icons representing diverse features, which include the Bybit Earn, Web3 card, Reward Top, invite friends, copy trading, trading bot, and more. Go ahead and click on the More button, and it's going to take you here where you have different categories with different icons under them. You're going to find this recommended category. Also going to find Buy Crypto category. Now, on the Buy Crypto, you're going to find deposits, Buy Crypto, P2P trading, and fiat deposit. Go ahead and click on Buy Crypto, and it's going to take you to the one-click buy window. So we want to buy Solana, right? Now, at the top right corner of your screen where you have the USDT, you're going to have to change that to Sol. And how do you do that? Now, at the top corner of this window, go ahead and type SOL, and it's going to take you here where you have Solana, which definitely didn't appear in the search. So go ahead and click on Solana, and you will see that USDT has been changed to SOL, which is Solana. So in here, you can buy using NGN, or you can buy using CAD, you can buy using any of these fiat currencies that you have. Let's say you want to buy using Canadian dollars. So go ahead and type in the amount that you want. So this is by amount. You can buy amount, you can click on buy quantity. Let's say you want to buy 2,000 SOL. So it's the maximum. Okay, let's say 200 SOL. So this is how much you're gonna have to spend in CAD. You're going to spend 51,110 CAD, and you can even change the amount. You can even change the fiat currency to something else. Let's say NGN. So let's go back to NGN. That's in case of Nigeria, and I want to buy 200. So okay, let's see, 90. So this is how much I'm going to spend, 20,985,000 naira. So once I do that, go ahead and click on next. Now once you click on next, it's going to take you to the next window. Now it says recommended. So bank transfer. When you use bank transfer, you can go ahead and have fun, or you can use P2P. And so just choose your recommended, or choose your preferred payment method, and click on this buy with NGN button. Now I cannot proceed to the last checkout option or checkout window because I have not verified my account. But once you verify, the next window is going to be the checkouts window, and that's just going to be it. That's how to buy Solana on Bybit. You can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.